The big game is coming up, and who doesn't like to have a big party with lots of game day food? If you're anything like me, you prefer the chips and dips over anything else. To save you a lot of money on all that food, we have a spinach artichoke dip, a bean dip, and a buffalo chicken dip for just under $30. Before we get started, check out the description below for everything you'll need to make these dips. So how do you make these Super Bowl dishes? I'm going to show you how. Let's get cracking. For our video, we split the recipe in half because we were cooking for 4 people, but the full recipe of each dip serves 24. We're going to kick this off with the buffalo chicken dip. We'll need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. In a bowl, stir in 8 ounces of cream cheese until it's smooth. Then, mix in ½ cup of ranch dressing, buffalo sauce, and shredded taco cheese. For the next part, you will need to pre-cook a chicken breast. After it's done, shred it. Then, take 2 cups of it and stir it in the bowl. Once everything is mixed, spread it evenly into an 8x8 baking dish and place it in the oven for 20 minutes. The dip we will tackle next is the bean dip. For this one, we will crank the heat to 375 degrees. Like before, take a large bowl and mix 4 ounces of cream cheese, 16 ounces of refried beans, ½ a pack of taco seasoning, and ½ a cup of sour cream until it's fluffy. Then, take 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese and mix it in. You'll need another 8x8 baking dish to put it in. Again, scoop it out of the bowl and spread it evenly in the dish. If you like cheese like us, you can take another cup of shredded cheddar cheese and sprinkle it on top. Now you can place it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until it's hot and the cheese is melted. You'll definitely score a touchdown with our next dip. For the spinach artichoke dip, you will also need to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. To prepare this, we will need to use 2 separate bowls. We want to make sure each grouping of ingredients is mixed well. In one bowl, mix together 2 cups of shredded Parmesan cheese, 10 ounces of spinach, and 14 ounces of chopped artichoke hearts. In the other bowl, mix together 2/3 cups of sour cream, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/3 of a cup of mayo, and 2 teaspoons of garlic. Once they are both thoroughly mixed, combine them into one bowl and mix again. After that, pour it into an 8x8 baking dish and put it in the oven for 25 minutes. And there you have it, 3 incredible dips to serve your guests. And you could always modify the bean dip to add any beans you'd like. I just prefer refried beans. If this helped, please give us a like. And if you're looking for more cooking how-tos or to learn something new, check out our how-to hub and subscribe. Your next project might just be right here. I'm gonna get back to looking at more recipes for the big day.